Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Checks tutorial. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create multiple product pages in Shopify. Whether you're setting up a small online store or managing a larger inventory, this tutorial will help you organize your products efficiently. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. If you're new to Shopify, you'll need to sign up first at shopify.com and choose a plan that works best for you. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your store. Now let's create a first product page. Go to the left-hand menu and click on Products. Then click the Add Product button in the top right corner. This will take you to the Product Editor page. Start by entering product title in the first field. Make sure the title is clear and descriptive. For example, if you're selling a t-shirt, you could write something like Classic Cotton T-shirt Unisex. After that, move on to the product description. Use this section to highlight key details about your product, such as material, dimensions, and any unique features. Make it engaging to help potential buyers feel confident about their purchase. Next, scroll down to the media section, where you can upload high-quality images of your product. Shopify allows you to add multiple images, so include shots from different angles and any close-ups of important details. If you have product videos, you can upload those too. They're a great way to showcase your items. Below the media section, you'll find pricing field. Enter your product's price here. If you're running a discount or sale, you can also input the original price in the Compare at Price field. This will show the discounted price on your storefront, making it more attractive to buyers. Now let's move on to inventory management. In the inventory section, you can set the SKU, track inventory levels, and choose whether to continue selling the product even when it's out of stock. Accurate inventory tracking is essential for ensuring you can fulfill orders without delays. In the shipping section, you'll specify whether this product is a physical item that requires shipping. For digital products or services, you can uncheck this option. If shipping is required, enter the product weight and any additional shipping details. Once you've completed these steps, scroll down to the variants section. This is where you can add variations like size, color, or material. For example, if you're selling a t-shirt, you can create variants for sizes like small, medium, and large, and colors like black, white, and blue. This makes it easier for customers to select the option they want. Now that the first product page is ready, click Save at the top right corner. And congratulations, you've created your first product page. Let's move on to creating multiple product pages. To save time, you can duplicate an existing product page instead of starting from scratch. Go back to the product section, select the product you want to duplicate, and click Duplicate from the top menu. Shopify will copy the details and you can edit the title, description, and images to fit your new product. Another way to manage multiple product pages is by using the bulk editor tool. In the product section, select multiple products by checking the boxes next to them. Then click Edit Products. This opens a spreadsheet-like interface where you can quickly update titles, prices, inventory, and more for several products at once. To further organize your products, consider creating collections. Collections group similar products together, making it easier for customers to browse. For example, you could create collections like men's clothing, women's accessories, or sale items. To do this, go to the Collections tab in the left-hand menu and click Create Collection. When creating a collection, you can choose between manual or automated options. A manual collection lets you handpick products to include, while an automated collection uses conditions to automatically add products that meet specific criteria. For instance, you can set a condition to include all products with the tag t-shirts. Once your collections are set up, you can add them to your store's navigation menu. Go to Online Store, Navigation, and edit your menu items to include links to your new collections. This improves the shopping experience by helping customers find what they're looking for quickly. Finally, to ensure your product pages look great, customize your theme. Go to Online Store, Themes, and click Customize. Here, you can adjust the layout, fonts, and colors of your product pages. Make sure to test how your pages look both on desktop and mobile devices, as most shoppers browse on their phones. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create multiple product pages in Shopify and keep your store organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.